Welcome. In today's video, we'll go through how to disable the reminder that asks you to add image descriptions before posting on X, formerly known as Twitter, when using the web version on your PC. If you prefer posting quickly without that extra step popping up each time, this guide will walk you through exactly what to do. Let's get started first. Open your browser and head over to x.com. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main menu with several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and so on. Scroll down until you find the option labeled More and click on it. A list of new options will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account, privacy, and accessibility controls are found. Next, in the Settings menu, choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section allows you to customize how your experience on X looks, feels, and functions. Inside that section, click on Accessibility. You'll find several settings that help make the platform easier and more comfortable to use. Look for the option that says Receive Image Description Reminder. By default, this option might be turned on, meaning every time you upload a photo, X will remind you to add an image description before posting. If you prefer not to see that reminder anymore, simply uncheck the box next to it. Once you've done that, your new setting will be saved automatically. That's it. No more interruptions when you're about to send a post with an image attached. You can still add alt text to your images anytime you want, but now you're fully in control and won't get prompted every time. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to disable the image description reminder on X, using the web version on your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tips like this. Thanks for watching. X4.